The stock market is on fire with the Dow and S&P trading at record highs. Let's bring in Nick Santiago of In the Money Stocks. And Nick, what do you think about that monster move in the Dow?
Yeah, the Dow is definitely showing leadership right now. It's been just incredible. Last Friday, the markets were defended after a pretty major sell-off, and we have rebounded quite nicely. So markets are up across the board, and the Dow is the leader. It's started to make new highs earlier this week, and it's continuing. So very, very good move for the Dow Jones Industrials.
Is the rally in the Dow telling us anything about the upcoming economy?
Well, I mean, things are definitely improving in the economy. There's no doubt about it. People are getting back to work with the vaccines and all of the reopenings of different states. That's a big positive. The negatives here is the amount of debt that we're piling on. And the Dow showing leadership to me is always a little bit of a warning sign of things to come. I always prefer to see the NASDAQ and the Russell 2000 lead. Now, the Russell has been very, very strong. The Dow has been exceptionally strong, especially over the last couple of weeks. But the NASDAQ is still a big, big laggard, and that's still a little bit of a concern.
It's a big week of IPOs. Roblox, the hot online gaming company, and then Roblox, now a part of the Cathie Wood Ark ETF. After that ETF bought up more than 500,000 shares of Roblox. Are you interested in that stock, Nick?
Well, I don't get involved in the IPOs right away. I like to let those things settle out a little bit, but it looks like that is the hot IPO. It looks like Ark did get involved in it. I think that gave it an extra shot in the arm. But I like to see how these things settle out in about 30 days to 60 days. And then maybe there's a little time for investing in it. But right now, where it's such a hot market, such hot money out there, especially with all the central banks pumping it in, you know, it's not only the Federal Reserve now. The ECB today, they're talking about doing a lot more bond purchasing. And then you had China earlier in the week saying that they're telling their state-sponsored funds to go out and buy technology stocks. So it's a perfect storm of buying to send these markets higher. So Roblox obviously doing pretty well.
Love your trader talk. Thanks so much, Nick.
Thank you for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.